Today, I'm gonna show you a real example of how AI and automation can completely take over your lead management system, qualify leads, send personalized emails, alert your team, and it all runs without your lifting a finger. A 3-step AI workflow we built in Zapier, no code, just smart tools. Captures lead using custom AI chatbot, qualifies them using ChatGPT, and nurtures them with a personalized email. And it even updates your database and alerts your team in Slack. All of this runs 24/7 in the background. We start with an AI chatbot built directly in Zapier. We trained it on a company FAQs, loaded it with a brand voice, and connected it to a live form. It chats with their visitors, answers their questions, and captures their name plus email if they're interested. As soon as that happened, their contact information is automatically added to a Zapier table, your live lead list. Now comes the clever part, qualification. The moment a new record hits the table, our Zap triggers. It sends the email to ChatGPT and asks, is this a business email or a free Gmail or Yahoo type? If it is a business email, we keep going. If it is not, cut it off. This is the key because it filters out unqualified leads before they hit your team's inbox. Once a lead is qualified, we pull in company data using Clearbit. Size, industry, job role, all that. Then we feed it to ChatGPT and ask it to write a personalized outreach email based on who the lead is and what we do. This is not some generic "hey there" copy. It's tailored, human-sounding, and ready to send. We don't even send it yet, we save it as a Gmail draft so a human can review it before it goes out. Best of both worlds. After that, we update the lead record in our table with all the enriched information and pin our sales team in Slack. Hey, new qualified lead! Here is the draft and information. Take a look. They can jump in, tweak the message if needed, and hit send. Done. This whole thing took under 30 minutes to build. And since launching this workflow, lead response time dropped from hours to minutes. Masters of AI and Automation is your new go-to for practical information playbooks that actually works. See you!